Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how we can replace few characters of a cell with some other characters. So for that, we'll use a simple formula called replace. Then, suppose in this example, I want to replace the first two characters, which is Mr. to Miss. So for that, I'll select the cell first, comma. Now I want to replace the first two characters starting from the first position. So M is the first position. So I'll use 1. And then I want to replace the first two characters. So comma 2, comma the characters I want to replace this with. So I'll put this in quotes. See, the character Mr. has been replaced. Similarly, suppose I want to add a hyphen between Mr. and John. So I want to replace the space between Mr. and John with a hyphen. So for that again I'll use a replace function. I'll select the cell. Now the space is on the third position. So M stands on the first position, R on the second, space on the third position. Space is a single character, so I'll say 1, comma. I'll put hyphen in quotes. You can see everything is getting replaced. Now, suppose I did not add 1 and I had added 2 here. Just observe the behavior, how it's functioning. So you can see now the space and the first letter after the space has been replaced. Hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to my channel.